Okay, this is the 2014 GMC Yukon XL with the 5.3 liter engine. This is how you change the air filter on it. So you've got 4 screws. You've got one here that you need to undo, one here that you need to undo, one down there, and one right there. You unscrew all 4 of those. And then you can take all this stuff off if you want. I normally don't. I just take and I push this back a little bit. And it frees up enough room that you can get the air filter out. So you can just reach in there. It's a little blue part. And you just kind of pull it up and out. So you can see here's the old one. Here's the new one. You can see quite a bit of difference in the two. And then you can take, you just lift this back up. You can check it down in there to make sure there's no leaves, dirt, whatever. If there is, you can vacuum it out. And then you can just slide this right back down in there. And then you take and you just move this back to where it's supposed to go so that all the holes line up with the screws and the holes. And then you take and then you can just screw these right back down in. That's how you change your air filter.